What are the top signs that you are overtraining? This can be identified by persistent fatigue even after rest, reduced performance, and the decline in motivation to do more workouts. If you're experiencing prolonged muscle soreness, having difficulty recovering after training, and find yourself pushing that extra yard to maintain performance levels, it's a good indication that you're overtraining. How many days is considered overtraining? For most people, if you're working out or training 6 or 7 times per week, but you're not training for a specific sport, event, or competition, chances are you're overtraining. What is stage 1 overtraining syndrome? In the first stages of this, an increased production of your stress hormones will be present. This is the system that operates in immediate stressful situations, such as fight or flight. Is lifting twice a day overtraining? 2-a-day workouts can increase your risk of overtraining or injury. This is a minimal situation if you're already at a good level of high performance fitness-wise. What does overuse pain feel like? Symptoms include tingling, numbness or pain in the affected area. This could also be a stiffness or soreness in the neck or back area, and a feeling of weakness or fatigue in the hands, arms, and the legs. Is doing push-ups every day overtraining? Yes, it can be. Doing push-ups every day can be a form of overtraining, especially if not done with proper form and having adequate rest. While doing push-ups are a great exercise for building upper body strength, consistency and adequate rest are crucial for muscle recovery and growth. Some people may not know this, but push-ups put a lot of stress on the chest, shoulders, and triceps. So performing them every day without allowing sufficient recovery time can lead to overuse injuries like tendinitis or muscle strains. This exercise mainly targets the pushing muscles. So doing daily push-ups without incorporating exercises that target the opposing muscles, like pulling exercises for the back, can create imbalances, increasing the risk of injuries. Plateauing. So as your muscles adapt to the same exercise or stimulus every single day, they may stop making further gains, which will be slowing the goals and hindering your progress. So if you want to continue making progress, you need to vary the exercises, increase the intensity, or incorporate other exercise movements. To prevent overtraining and maximize the benefits of push-ups, consider these next set of pointers. Rest time is crucial. Allow at least 1 to 2 days of rest per week for the muscles to recover and rebuild. Do it the proper way, keeping proper form. Focus on maintaining correct form to avoid injuries and ensure effective muscle engagement. Keep a balance in the structure of your workouts, so include a variety of exercises that target both pushing and the pulling muscles. You've got to listen to your body and mind. Pay attention to any signs of fatigue or pain and adjust your routine accordingly. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the number of push-ups or sets you do each week to continue challenging your muscle performance. Does overtraining affect your sleep? Yes, overtraining can significantly affect sleep, causing insomnia, restless sleep, and difficulty falling or staying asleep. The excessive physical stress of overtraining can lead to hormonal imbalances, increased anxiety and physical discomfort, all of which can disrupt a good night's sleep. Physical discomfort. The body's muscles and tissues can be sore and fatigued from overtraining, making it difficult to find a comfortable sleeping position. Mental stress and anxiety. The stress and anxiety associated with overtraining can lead to you being restless, making it very difficult to fall asleep. Hormonal imbalances. Overtraining can disrupt the body's natural sleep pattern and wake cycle, especially through elevated cortisol levels, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. Impact on recovery. Without quality sleep, recovery slows down, creating a vicious cycle where overtraining symptoms persist. Sleep disturbances. Unsurprisingly, overtraining can lead to sleep insomnia, mainly due to muscle, tendons, or ligament discomfort. To fix overtraining, you must prioritise rest, adjust training volume and workout intensity, while dealing with your mentality towards exercise. Also, look after your physical and nutritional needs. This includes taking breaks from strenuous exercise, reducing training load, incorporating low-intensity activities, ensuring adequate sleep and hydration. If you're overly sore after a hard few days workouts, skip the weights and go for a walk instead, or a very slow, steady jog, which is just above walking pace. There are other options for relieving soreness in between sessions for active recovery. Consider taking Epsom salt baths, getting a massage, or alternating between ice and heat packs. Can overtraining be reversed? Right, so the main ingredient to recovery from overtraining is obviously rest. This means that you need to limit or even stop training for a determined amount of time. The time will vary depending on your goals and also the type of sport and level of activity. But overall, most recovery takes between 4 to 8 or even 12 weeks in the worst situations. What foods are good for overtraining? The best foods for muscle recovery after exercise should contain protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. These macronutrients can help your body repair muscle damage and reload energy stores. Some foods such as bananas, spinach, and oatmeal also contain plant compounds that can reduce inflammation. How to speed up recovery from overtraining? You can stop exercising for a while, that's for starters. Reduce the number of sets and reps, length of time or intensity while training. Introduce recovery days and weeks. Relieve tension and stress. You could have Epsom salt baths, you could have deep tissue massages, you could have ice packs, heat packs, that sort of stuff. Identify nutritional deficiencies in your diet and make the appropriate adjustments. Make sure you're eating properly. And last but not least, listen to your body overall. I hope this video was helpful when it comes to dealing with overtraining. Give you a little insight in what you can do better with your workouts and how to rest appropriately. Now, if you structure your sessions in a way that's suitable for yourself, get the adequate rest, eat properly and get the right nutrition, overtraining should not be a situation that you need to go through.